Good morning. Your time now at 6:14. It's the DMV first warn day. We are tracking a soggy start to our Tuesday morning, the day after the holiday weekend as everyone's heading back to work and school. And we're seeing some heavier downpours sliding through. Where we are seeing some more of the heaviest of the rainfall is right into southern Frederick County as well as northern Montgomery County. And this is in Maryland. And this is where we do have that flood warning in effect. That goes until 11:30 this morning. So we could see the possibility of some ponding on some of those roadways and also some of that poor drainage flooding as well in that area. So we're talking from say Green Valley down towards North Germantown, even down towards Rockville, really right along 270 we could see some of that minor flooding. But notice the deeper reds popping up. This is right along 70 and that could include some of that reduced visibility and also some of that ponding on the roadways as well. But with the deeper reds on your screen, that's usually about 1 inch to 1.5 inches per hour rainfall rate. Just something to keep in mind that also is reducing visibility as well with some of that intense rainfall. But radar over the last couple of hours, we've seen at least the rain continue to move its way farther off towards the north and east. So starting to notice some drier conditions in our far southernmost counties, talking down towards Fredericksburg as well as Culpeper. But really around the D.C. metro area, it is a wet start and with the heaviest rain, though, just to the north of D.C. Flood watch, that goes until 2 p.m. this afternoon. That does include Loudoun County, Fairfax County, and Virginia. But for Maryland, we're talking Frederick, Montgomery, as well as Prince George's County, even up towards Baltimore. If you're traveling up towards Baltimore, even into southern Pennsylvania, and even extending into southern New Jersey, it's still under that flood watch, considering that's where all of our rainfall is tracking. Visibility has been reduced. We're down to 7 miles in Frederick, 8 in D.C., 3 Leesburg, 5 Winchester, about 1 mile visibility out towards Kaiser. Now, the reason why we're seeing all this moisture, well, we had the stationary front situated right over our area yesterday. This has transitioned over towards an elongated area of low pressure, and this is what we call a trough in meteorology, and that's just bringing us some more moisture out there for our Tuesday morning. Temperatures upper 60s to low 70s, 74 in D.C., 73 in Waldorf, a little bit warmer down towards Lexington Park, 76, but we're upper 60s back off towards the north and west. And timing when these rain showers should be moving out, we're looking at about 8 a.m. This model showing still a few lingering rain showers, not quite as intense as earlier this morning. Then these will continue to move their way farther off towards the north and east. We'll likely see high temperatures today, low to mid 80s. I say mid 80s just because we could see some areas where we do see some of that sunshine breaking out, allowing those temperatures to warm up. It will be quite muggy out there as well. Later on tonight, count with that chance for maybe a few of those pop-up showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. And we should see some drier conditions overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, much drier than what we're seeing this morning. However, still tomorrow, count with that chance for a few showers still with us as this low then transitions over to a cold front. And then we'll notice the winds do shift out of the north-northwest. That'll be ushering in a bit of a cool down as we look ahead towards tomorrow. By Thursday, looks like we should be seeing those temperatures bouncing back into low 80s. Now, tomorrow, we'll likely see high temperatures upper 70s. I'm still thinking Friday, though, is the pick of the work week. It's going to be quite nice out there to wrap up this week. But high temperatures today, low 80s, but we could see a few locations reaching into the mid 80s. Overnight lows falling back into the upper 60s. And as we get towards tomorrow, as I had mentioned, a little bit cooler. We're tracking quite a few locations into the 70s. Maybe could reach 80 in Fredericksburg. We're talking 78 in Manassas, 75 Winchester, into the mid 70s off towards Cumberland. We should see in D.C. at least high temperatures upper 70s. Again, today's setup, we have that low right along that trough, but then we have this upper level low with us tomorrow, and that still could bring us a few showers for your Wednesday. Wednesday not completely dry, however, it's not quite as wet as what we're seeing out there today. Here's a view of the next 7 days. Thursday still looking nice, partly cloudy, but Friday is certainly the pick of the week, mainly sun-filled, high temperatures, low 80s. Still low 80s as we look ahead towards this upcoming weekend. Right now, toss it over to Shanika. The very latest on traffic. How's it looking as people are hitting the roads?